Hello everyone, and thank you for joining us on Cooking Live. I'm Chef Patrice, and I'm going to make you a better cook. Today for this class, we're going to be making two dishes. The first one that we're going to be making is an asparagus soup. We're going to make a beautiful asparagus soup, and I'm going to show you how to keep that asparagus soup nice and green. We're going to follow up today with fresh home pasta. We're going to make some pasta. We're going to toast the pasta with mushrooms, with prosciutto, also some tomatoes, and finish it up with some parmesan cheese on top. Very simple, great technique again. I'm going to show you an easy way how to make pasta dough. For that, the pasta dough will be enough for 4 people. So we're going to be making 1.5 cup of AP flour, 2 large eggs, half a teaspoon or teaspoon of olive oil, and a pinch of salt. And break those large eggs, 1, 2. And what you want to do, let the blade run, for a while. As soon as you started putting it together like that, look at that. If I take that in my hand, it makes a bowl like that. And here my dough is almost together. You just want to knead the dough a little bit like this. And what we're going to do actually is we're going to finish kneading that dough with the machine. Bring this thickness down until you have the level of the machine here. You can turn off your machine now. And then what I want you to do is leave the opening, the setup the way it is. You're going to fold the dough by half, but this time we're going to leave it on the sheet pan, just assuming you don't have a pasta rack. All right, again, don't cut it too perfect. Okay, look at the beautiful pasta. It looks like, it was made in Italy. Okay, now it's time to add your prosciutto, your tomatoes. We're going to take this up a little bit. There we go. We're going to take some of that pasta here, and we are going to add the pasta into our sauce. Ooh, this is nice and hot. All right, we're going to toast the pasta together here. I'm going to go ahead and put the whole thing because it's supposed to be that way. And I'm going to take a little bit of that water from the pasta and add it to the dish. Now I'm going to mix it up. Just toss it together like that. Okay, very nice. Of course, if I did not use the tomatoes today on the pasta, I would probably put a piece of tomatoes on top for color. But I think a little bit of nuts here would be just fine. So don't go away after this cooking class because we're eating pasta and drinking rosé. And then delicately put it right there. Look at that. So I wanted to see you next week and sign up for Cooking Live and for another wonderful class, okay? So until that, I want you to have a great evening and a good week, and I'll see you next week. So goodbye, everybody.